Habits that can make you richer. Do you know that your habits are the decisive factor regarding the amount of money you hold? Yes, that is true. With careful and productive habits, you can go from $0 in the bank to a seven-figure amount. Isn't that intriguing? Your habits are not merely your routine or lifestyle, but they are the determining factors of your success in life. Colin Powell once said, "If you are going to achieve excellence in big things, you develop the habit in little matters." Excellence is not an exception. It is a prevailing attitude. So, if you have got the point, habits make you rich or poor. But the question is, what are the habits that make you rich? Well, I have the list for you. Before I dive in today's video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel where I come up with videos that will increase the pace of your wealth and success to have a prosperous future. Let's begin. Number 1, creating multiple sources of income. Honestly speaking, in this day and age, having multiple sources of income has become a necessity. To get richer, having multiple sources of income is the prerequisite. The good thing is that you do not need to actually get 2 or 3 jobs. You can rely on your skills and education to make some extra income for you. You might have already observed that the pandemic has opened a plethora of income-generating options for skilled individuals. There are now multiple platforms where you can get paid by doing hour-based work. Even if you do not want a side gig, you can create multiple sources of income by investing in stocks and bonds and letting your money do the heavy lifting for you. The important thing is that you must not rely completely on your 9-to-5 job, because that is not going to deliver you the long-term goals of financial stability and abundant wealth. That is why it is important that you manage multiple sources of income. Number 2, making important decisions at the right times. So here's the deal. Making important decisions goes hand in hand with your financial success. I mean, it is a no-brainer. Important decisions can have a significant impact not only on your personal life, but also on your financial status. By making crucial decisions in the nick of time, you put your future financial positions at stake. So the question is, do you micromanage everything so that you end up losing major opportunities? Or do you spend your money so much that you put your money on every available venture? Your financial decisions can make or break you. It is therefore crucial that you take these decisions wisely. Hey, do not be afraid of taking expert advice on financial matters. If you are not financially smart, the opinions of a financial expert can help you make calculated decisions. Number 3, eliminating temptation. Well, this is important for your financial well-being. I agree that we are all guilty of caving in the face of impulse shopping. It is a habit for many people to spend a few dollars now and then on purchases that they do not really need. But let me remind you, it is bad for your financial health. If you are falling prey to these temptations every single time, it can harm you beyond any remedy. But how to resist these temptations? Well, you should only go out shopping when you actually need to. And also, do not take your credit card with you. This way, you will be more mindful of your expenses. Believe me, these temptations might not look so harmful to you for now, but in the long term, they can impede your financial progress. So beware, my friend. Number 4, managing your debts efficiently. It is no wonder that you are broke if you are struggling with a lot of debts. And if you take more loans to repay the previous ones, I hate to burst the bubble for you, you are far from achieving financial freedom. But most of the time, taking loans is a necessity. However, the important thing is how you manage the loans that you have taken. To obtain financial freedom, you must learn to save yourself from falling into the unending debt spiral. You have got to make timely repayments of your loans. If you have missed a payment, do not be surprised to see some extra interest. So, you must make a conscious effort to allocate money to your monthly loan payments. And there is something else in this matter. You must always be vigilant of the amount of interest you pay on your loans. You must look out for loans that are lower in interest, as it will matter a great deal when it is time to pay back the loans. Number 5, preparing for the rainy days. It is pertinent that you prepare for the rainy days because honestly, no one can predict the future. Life is unpredictable, and the pandemic has been a befitting lesson for mankind regarding uncertainties in the future. I mean, come on. Who could have thought that all of us would be stuck at home for months, away from work and school? Nobody saw this coming. However, we have learned the lesson the hard way. You must put some money aside for emergency purposes. A rainy day fund is the best way to make sure that you have the money for an unexpected turn of events. You rarely anticipate an emergency expense like getting your car repaired, getting something fixed at home, or maybe paying some significant amount of money at the hospital. For such rainy days, your emergency fund will provide you with much needed relief. If you do not set an emergency fund, you might have to end up taking a high-interest loan, which will pull you back into a state of financial instability. The bottom line is, put some money aside in your rainy days fund. Number 6. Investing. Investing is one of the most effective and guaranteed ways of making wealth. The good thing is that you do not even need a lot of money for investment. I might have mentioned earlier that investment is the money that works for you. All you need to do is make the right decision. Saving is important for financial stability, but the investment is inevitable. Another thing to consider here is that the wrong investment can make you lose all your money. So, before you put your money into any kind of venture, you must carry out the proper research. Stick to the things that you know about, and if you are unsure, just get some help from your financial advisors. I am sure you will make the right decision after consulting with an expert. Hold on. This is not meant to scare you from investing your money, but you must be cautious because one wrong move can cost you all your wealth. Number 7. Tracking your credit. Do you know you can enjoy plenty of benefits if you look good on credit? Yes, that is why it is important that you must track your credit. This way, you will not go too far into debt. You see, people often get themselves into loans with crazy interests. It is because they think they can afford more than they actually can. The obvious rule for financial freedom is that if you cannot pay it in cash, you simply cannot afford it. You need to keep track of your debt and credit card expenses so you do not exceed your budget. Keeping in line with your credit limits is the only safe way toward financial stability. Number 8. Surround yourself with people like you. Research shows that your net worth tends to be similar to the people who are the closest to you. Well, no wonder it is true. You should surround yourself with people who can help you grow and become the person of your dreams. We often become like people whom we are associated with, so it is crucial to surround ourselves with successful people. These people can help you expand your wealth by aiding you in process of development and growth. So my advice would be to make rich friends. After all, winners attract winners. So you see, they were right to tell you that a man is known by the company he keeps. Keep rich and successful company, and you will be the next one. Number 9. Take calculated risks. Well, what is success if there are no risks associated? Similarly, without a little bit of adventure and thrill, life is boring and stagnant. But hold on. I understand that risks must be taken for a successful career. But let me remind you that it is equally important to know which risks are to be taken and which of them are not. That is why I suggest you take calculated risks. The thing is, wealthy people do not gamble on big decisions. Rather, they analyze the situation and do the necessary research. Even if the result is not in their favor, they do not lose much in the end. However, if the risk wins, they stand at winning an awful lot of benefits. That is how calculated risks work. So, this was all in the list of productive habits to make you richer. I hope that you will start implementing some of these in your life very soon. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones.